he has not, after the establishment of Pakistan, worked against the integrity of the country or opposed the ideology of Pakistan.
Yes. Now, if we read 62(1)(g) on its own with the judgment of Samiullah case, the ban is lifetime ban.
But
if we read them together.
But
now read 63(1)(g). It's the same language, ideology of Pakistan,
for propagating,
and here it prescribes a ban for 5 years.
Or the sovereignty, integrity or security of Pakistan.
No, it's the same 62(1)(g) and 63(1)(g) are more or less similarly worded.
That's right.
It is working against integrity or opposed to the ideology of Pakistan.
That's right, sir.
Now, if we apply Samiullah Baloch to 62(1)(g), it is lifetime ban. And if we apply 63(1)(g), it is 5-year ban. Unless you say 62(1)(g), Samiullah Baloch is not attracted to 62(1)(g). That could be one argument. So
it's interesting what my lord has observed, because if a person is dishonest और उसके खिलाफ मुकदमा दर्ज हो जाए और उसको सजा हो जाए तो फिर 2 साल काटने के बाद 5 साल बाद वापस आ जाएगा. मुकदमा ना हो और पता नहीं क्या हो और एक declaration आ जाए तो then he's gone.
If he has been convicted and goes to jail, so his sins are expiated, right, and he's okay.
Yeah.
Now, if he is, for instance, acquitted or is not even prosecuted, then he is lifetime banned. So I find it difficult that a court of law which has convicted a person, meaning your guilt was established 100%, you are banned for only 5 years, and if your guilt has not been established, because every criminal case has 2 components, conviction and sentence.
That's right.
You can be convicted and you can be sent on parole, or you can be convicted till the rising of the court, or whatever it is, or maybe not. Say for good conduct, we don't convict you this time, we don't sentence you this time, we just convict you.
That's right.
So that will be a lifetime ban, and the person will say, can you please send me to jail so I can contest elections again after 5 years?
Yeah, sentence me to the rising of the court so I can just go back after 5 years.
So see, certain things are very clear. You are a citizen of Pakistan. I mean, I find okay that it's pretty clear. There may be some gray areas where you may be holding 2-3 nationalities or whatever the case is, or you may have given up or whatever. But generally, age is a determinative factor. It's clear. And then we come to D, E, F, and G, which are vague, and they're overlapping as well, because it says is of good character. Now, can any human being possibly say this on oath? If he's truthful.
So it appears that as far as D, E, and G is concerned, there's no third-party declaration. You know, who's actually saying that he doesn't have adequate knowledge of Islam? Who's saying that he's said anything against the integrity of the country? So there's no third party, right? So how does the disqualification work? On that election, and then it forgets about it, and then the next election he can contest? I mean, we found out that he doesn't have adequate knowledge of Islam 20 years ago, and he missed the elections that time. Then he's now become a saint, perhaps.
Alim.
An alim. And then what happens?
Hafiz, alim.
So एक तो वो समझ नहीं आ रही, लेकिन फर्क सिर्फ ये है कि F में तो ये है कि एक declaration खड़ी हुई है third party की, तो जब तक वो खड़ी हुई है वो चलता रहेगा. That's what Samiullah Baloch saying. Samiullah Baloch actually turns on the declaration.
वो हुआ ये कि actually 18th amendment में ये जो declaration by court of law लाने का purpose तो ये था कि वो returning officers जो है ना वो डिटरमिन ना करते रहे, या इस किस्म का एलिगेशन कोई और रैंडमली ना आकर लगा दे, और ताकि ये जो डी, ई और जी के अंदर जो हो सकता है वो एफ में ना हो.
आपके मुताबिक
उल्टा हो गया.
How does D, E and G play out actually? I want to ask this question. आज से 10 साल पहले किसी ने इंटेग्रिटी ऑफ पाकिस्तान के बारे में कोई बात स्पीच कर दी, बस खत्म हो गई बात. अब वो इलेक्शन नहीं लड़ सकता.
ये देखिए कुछ लोग होते हैं तो उन्होंने 5 इयर्स कर दिए, वो कहते हैं यस आई हैव सीन द लाइट. अब इस्लाम में भी तौबा की गुंजाइश आखिर मिनट तक है. वो कह सकता है जी मुझे, जैसे माय लॉर्ड ने ऑब्जर्व किया कि मुझे इस्लाम के बारे में नहीं पता था, अब मैंने सारे अब लाइफ टाइम बैन उसको कर दिया کہ وہ پھر شاید حافظ بن گیا ہو سکتا ہے عالم بن گیا ہو سکتا ہے آپ اور بہتر اور ہم سب سے بہتر قرآن شریف سمجھنے لگا ہو, اور وہ لائف ٹائم بین میں آ گیا کیونکہ اس کو 20 سال پہلے یا 10 سال پہلے یا 5 سال پہلے ان چیزوں کے متعلق علم نہیں تھا.
سمیع اللہ بلوچ جو ہے اٹ ایکٹس ایز اے گلیٹین. وہ کہتے ہیں کہ جب آخری اپیل میں جب آپ آئیں گے تو بس اس کے ڈیسیشن سے پہلے تو اگر آپ ریپینٹنس کر لیں تو ہو سکتا ہے, ورنہ ونس that happens then there is no repentance.
کہاں چھوڑا,
نہیں چھوڑا 184(3) میں تو ویسے ہی نہیں ہوتا, بٹ ادروائز بھی نہیں.